day, Philippines. I'm your news anchor, Shiver Jason Pillow, reporting live in the TLC newsroom. And for the headline, Philippine weather will be joining fair, hot, humid for today, Tuesday, April 25. And now, let's see what the weather is like today, Miss Beloy.
This summer, the country will see generally fair, hot, and humid weather on Tuesday. The Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Meteorological Service, like ASA said. The State Weather Bureau likewise reported on Wednesday afternoon that no low pressure area or storms are currently monitored within the Philippine area of responsibility. Like ASA said, the chances of localized thunderstorms are possible around the afternoon and evening. In Luzon, we can still expect this generally clear weather to continue. Temperature range in key cities or areas across the country for Tuesday will be Metro Manila 26 to 34 degrees Celsius, Cebu 27 to 32 degrees Celsius, Davao City 24 to 34 degrees Celsius. No gale warning was likewise released over the country's coast, but as a whole for the daily weather report, this is Ballard reporting.
Thank you, Beloy. Now let's check Cebu City current state as it continued to feel the hot and humid weather in Metro Cebu. How was the weather there, Mr. Malanog?
Yes, Shimber, I can definitely feel how hot most Cebuans feel as the sun continues to soar high in the sky and many people keep raising their umbrellas. I'm in the city right now and I can definitely feel the heat from the sun and the humidity in the air. And in order to avoid heat stroke, it is best to bring umbrella and drink lots of water. Malanog is here, reporting from Cebu City, back to the studio.
I'm Malanog, and this is Shimver Jason Pillow, your anchor for today, bringing you the most up-to-date daily news weather report of the hour. Good day, Philippines. Your news anchor, Shiver Jason Pillow, is reporting live in TLC Newsroom. The Philippines has had a heat wave explosion in the past few days. And now, let's see what the weather is like today, Miss Allegra.
Good day. As you can see on this map behind me, right now, the easterlies or winds from the Pacific Ocean continues to greatly affect the most part of Visayas and Mindanao. We will feel the heat between 37 to 39 degrees Celsius. By the afternoon of tonight, there's a high chance of rain due to the localized thunderstorms. In Mindanao, there are rains in the Zamboanga Peninsula and nearby areas of northern Mindanao due to the localized thunderstorm, and other areas of Mindanao are slightly cloudy and sometimes sunny in the morning. And by the noon, the hottest urbanized plain areas in Mindanao. That would be all for the daily weather report. This is Areglo reporting.
Thank you, Aregla. Now let's check Metro Manila current state as it continues to feel hot and humid weather brought by easterlies. How was the weather there, Miss Beloy?
This is Ballard reporting from Metro Manila, wherein the scorching heat of the sun is being felt by everyone. As temperature continues to rise, people are doing their best to stay cool and comfortable. The heat is so intense that many are seeking refuge indoors, especially during midday when the sun is at peak. Walking outside during this time is not advisable, as the heat can be overwhelming and cause dehydration or heat stroke. People are trying to stay cool by drinking plenty of water, wearing loose and breathable clothing, and seeking shade whenever possible. Some have resorted to using fans or air conditioning to beat the heat. This is Bella reporting live in Metro Manila. Back to the studio.
Thank you, Beloy. And this is Shiver Jason Pillow, your anchor for today, bringing you the most up-to-date daily weather news report of the hour. Good day, Philippines. I'm your news anchor, Shiver Jason Pillow, reporting live in TLC Newsroom. The weather for today continues to have our isolated rain showers possible on Visayas and Mindanao. And now, let's see what the weather is like today, Mr. Gonob.
Luzon will continue to experience fair weather, but isolated rain shower and thunderstorms are still possible. The temperature range from 25 to 34 degrees Celsius in Lao, 17 to 24 degrees Celsius in Metro Manila, 25 to 34 degrees Celsius in Tagaytay, 22 to 31 degrees Celsius in Tuguegarao, 27 to 33 degrees Celsius in Kalayaan Island, and 26 to 33 degrees Celsius in Puerto Princesa. In Mindanao, hot weather is also expected, but there is a high chance of isolated rain, showers, and thunderstorms. That will be all for the daily weather report. This is Gumub reporting.
Thank you, Gumub. And this is Shiver Jason Pillow, your anchor for today, bringing you the most up-to-date daily weather news report of the hour. Good day, Philippines. Your news anchor, Shiver Jason Pillow, reporting live in the TLC newsroom. Sizzling Friday, heat index may exceed 40 degrees Celsius, Pag-asa warns. And now, let's see what the weather is like today, Malano.
The heat index in several parts of the country may hit 40 degrees Celsius and above on Friday. According to the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration, or Pag-asa, at midday, expect highest air temperature at 34 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius in several areas, but the heat index or the heat felt by our body may possibly exceed to 40 degrees Celsius. Metro Manila, 24 to 35 degrees Celsius. Baguio City, 17 Celsius to 26 degrees Celsius. Luwag City, 24 Celsius to 34 degrees Celsius. Tuguegarao, 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. Legazpi, 26 to 33 degrees Celsius. Puerto Princesa City, 27 to 34 degrees Celsius. Tagaytay, 23 to 31 degrees Celsius. Kalayaan Islands, 28 to 35 degrees Celsius. Iloilo City, 28 to 33 degrees Celsius. Cebu, 27 to 33 degrees Celsius. Tacloban, 26 to 32 degrees Celsius. Cagayan de Oro City, 26 to 33 degrees Celsius. Zamboanga, 25 to 33 degrees Celsius. Davao City, 25 to 34 degrees Celsius. That would be all for the daily weather report. This is Malano reporting.
Thank you, Malanog, and this is Shiver Jason Pillow, your anchor today, bringing you the most up-to-date daily weather news report.
Audio Jungle.
Good day, Philippines. I'm your news anchor, Shiver Jason Pillow, who is reporting live in the TLC newsroom. Israel is prevailing over the Philippines, ITZC affects Visayas and Mindanao, scattered thunderstorm expected in Luzon, and localized rainfall in Visayas and Mindanao. And now let's see what the weather is like today, Miss Aragla.
Currently, the easterlies or winds from the Pacific Ocean continues to prevail over a large part of our country. We can see in the satellite images cloud clusters associated with the Intertropical Convergence Zone, known as ITCZ, which can potentially affect some parts of Visayas and Mindanao, particularly the eastern Visayas and Caraga area. We can see that there is still no gale warning, which means it's safe for small sea vessels to sail. And that will be all for the daily weather report. This is Araglo reporting.
Araglo, thank you for your report. This is Shiver Jason Pillow, your anchor for today, providing you with the latest and the most current daily weather news update.
Audio Jungle.
Good day, Philippines. Your news anchor, Shiver Jason Pillow, is reporting live in the TLC newsroom. Unstable weather condition expected as Israelis continue to bring rainfall and thunderstorm to many parts of the Philippines. And now, let's see what is the weather like today, Miss Beloy.
Fair weather conditions are expected, although there's a high chance of rain in the afternoon or evening due to localized thunderstorm. As for Mindanao, scattered rainfall, lightning, and thunder are expected throughout the day due to the effects of ITCZ. In terms of temperature, Iloilo is forecasted to range from 28 to 33 degrees Celsius, Tacloban from 30 to 27 degrees Celsius, Cebu from 27 to 32 degrees Celsius. There are no gale warning in effect, so small sea vessels are safely navigated. It is advised to
Thanks, Beloy. This is Shiver Jason Pillow, your anchor for today, providing you with the latest and the most current daily news weather report update of the hour.
Audio Jungle.
Good day, Philippines. Your news anchor, Shiver Jason Pillow, is reporting live in the TLC newsroom. ITTZ to bring rain to Palawan and Mindanao. Hot weather persists in Luzon and Visayas. And now, let's see what the weather is like today, Mr. Vinod.
We can see in our satellite images the Intertropical Convergence Zone or ITCZ, which is affecting particularly Palawan and Mindanao. So we expect a high chance of overcast skies with scattered rainfall, thunderstorms, and lightning in these areas today. Meanwhile, in other parts of the country including Metro Manila, Cebu, and other parts of Luzon and Visayas, we will continue to experience hot weather with isolated rain, showers, and thunderstorms. Temperature in Laog is 25 to 33 degrees Celsius, Baguio 17 to 25 degrees Celsius, Tuguegarao 24 to 35 degrees Celsius, Tagaytay 23 to 31 degrees Celsius, Legazpi 25 to 33 degrees Celsius. In Iloilo is 27 to 30 degrees Celsius. Tacloban, 25 to 31 degrees Celsius. And Cebu, 26 to 33 degrees Celsius. Temperature range of 25 to 32 degrees Celsius in Cagayan de Oro and 26 to 31 degrees Celsius in Davao. That would be all for the daily weather report. This is Gungub reporting.
Thank you, Gungub. And this is Shimro Jason Pillow, your anchor today, bringing you the most up-to-date daily weather news report of the hour.